Okay, chief on all got what again?
Okay, my hair. So also my ball. Masia and Abolama because Mama Boba with them. I think I'm 45 minutes now. Masia out and then alone. In all of this, alone, now alone. So
Ima onye ọbụla contribute go quote nke ya onye kọrọ nke ya ka so for this is your ihe awụ nwa mbụ
yes.
So for you to pass through this alone, I remembered when the more for came to the morning and no 3 months. So my husband has to be there, give me water, give me this, help me to bed. So I can imagine that didn't get no there because nobody can make you make another make one nigga can make you make my name was quite kidding a million and the black and white are like petting and touching and stuff like that. So you face this alone, not just that upon a dig you come on here catch it.
Yes.
And then the trauma, how did you cope?
Towards midnight, December, my mom came. My mom got into that time, so she came to go through that process with me. But before she came to cope, every war, like you constantly at war. You're constantly at war spiritually. You're constantly at war psychologically. At war. My government, my there is war everywhere. So, and some people when they Chineke can for such thing. So I will not number ordinary mother. I wouldn't be here today. I want a female.
Wow, I can imagine.
Because the
because it was a troublesome pregnancy.
Trauma, absolutely.
And because all question one you did after 3 months, you get after the first trimester, you're free. And for you to go through that.
Then there was the issue of the lawyer as well, who needed to give him feedback as
Okay, let's talk about the lawyer now. Let's talk about the lawyer. Where did the arrangement of the lawyer and to case because I not on that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu'S went through what I hear in terms of lawyer get represented and lawyer not get represented. And I am one this vibrant, very intelligent, smart lawyer we find you for no go what when you keep trouble because these are the things I got in the air. Akbola Mazi Nnamdi for all manner of unprintable names, which I'm totally against. They struggle, I internal they struggle together, we make a contribution. Rather than attacking ourselves, insulting ourselves, I think we should be working together and encouraging one another. Now I also know that Ifeanyi Ejiofor was representing IPOB on pro bono. So for somebody like this, and I'm not going Montaria for the sake of your husband. When you keep throw more light on Ifeanyi's coming, your relationship, because they will even accused. Like Ifeanyi, right? Some magnet. I felt so bad. So just record with the question I'm asking you, your relationship with Ifeanyi, why you brought Ifeanyi, why you were being attacked by some members of Carlos' family. As a family question, now fight together, at least for I'm there is this IPOB on the other side, but as a family, we fight together, cooperating with IPOB to make sure now it is a Mazi. Please, can you throw more light so that Kano from your own side?
Thank you, Lolo. The very first day, but I said, for my Amrunda became actually the much. Oh my gosh. These are ad hominems. I call them ad hominems because people can project their shame and pain and disappointment through a certain channel. Barrister Ejiofor came in through my father. Barrister Ejiofor. And why did he do that? Because the then deputy leader of IPOB, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu'S, his friend, I am all better to represent Onyendu. So that's not going to represent Onyendu on pro bono as well. So, but by that time, my mother-in-law, another lawyer. So more I like teamwork.
Yeah.
I like togetherness. So when they na uche me front kpọtara lawyer. So nke ahụ ya makpọtara ka nke ahụ chere. So ka ha niile meet in Abuja. And then when lawyer onye ndu nwetara already na court. And lawyer o nwetara onye ndu bail when they took him. Ha kpọrọ ya ga court ozugbo. So that Ebule got onye ndu bail. So onye ndu ezie and the court will say reach his wife. So I'm say okay, so Ebule, since Ebule is there already, better will meet with him. So can my mother-in-law the more lawyer I will, the better for us. The sweeter the glory. So and that was it. Gada, met each other. Some I know better. I went to see Onyindu, who can't dim. Then the first phone call Onyindu was to me, saying no better. I'm not going here. I'm going but then I gave prayer on phone. So after some time, over time, mba draw better cake when uzi dimzeri. No snow when he gives him no need can. Over some na traria, na DSS na traria. Must I try your email? So open another email and send it to me. So ima okodo ukwo na ekwu asi anga di chiche outside ima working that feeling na ha lota nwanyi wara anya na gi mekwa ha nkanka. So a certain person now at the court picked the conversation. So mbedi my dad said something is wrong. Nam chọrọ ka ị gaa Abuja gaa hụ ihe na-eme because obi mgbawa onye nwaanyị dị ime obi ana m ezu ike mmiri na-ebe and awụ m onye Chineke tere mmanụ ana m ahụ ụzọ. Nhụcha ụfọdụ ihe mbịazi na n'ihe na-achọgharị ihe ndị ahụ ma na-ekwu na ha dị m mma. So o beta ahụ ya ọsị m nọ na-aga na ya na-aga Ụmụahịa maka ya gaa hụ nne di m ha but na m agwakwa na ha na ya na-abịa. Aghọta m what all of that was about. But ya emecha gacha lọta gwakwana m ihe ọ gatara. Ọzi okwezenye m report. He just stopped. So na-achọgharịa ihe ị kwesịrị izi m ibe m ya kedu maka di m ịga hụ di m na enwe ihe na-agwa m achọrọ m ịma na ha dị m mma. Mụ na ndị dị ọzọ anyị meeting that time we did mefa. Dim is dying. I had there. I can see him. He is not well. Kedu ihe ị na-agata? Ihe m ga-ahụ next thing ọ ga-ahụcha ọpụta otinye camera. The Mazi is doing well. He's sleeping on a mattress. No NBC water. He's doing well. Nke gbara m ara mbọ ọtakwa okwu ihe okwu na-ekwu that his client adịrọ guilty. Ara masị ada n'ishi na miritu na kesa miritu na kesa mana na ọmụ na gị mere ihe ọ ya nsị my father ga-achọta